How to change username on Roblox without email. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Roblox without email. First, visit the Roblox website and log into your account using your current username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, in the account settings, look for the section labeled Username located next to your username. Here, you should see an Edit button. So, simply click on this button. After clicking the Edit button, you can change your username. So this is how you can change your username on Roblox without email. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.